Somewhere between your front door and the pristine waters of Georgian Bay, you'll find your paradise. Be it on the spectacular 9th hole of our award-winning links-style golf course, or in the sublime decadence of our spa. Be it cross-country skiing along a waterfront trail, where the only sound you hear is the rhythmic swoosh of cross-country skis through unblemished snow. Be it in the infectious laughter of your children and their children roasting marshmallows at a beachfront fire. This is Cobble Beach, Canada's Four Seasons waterfront community. This is your paradise. At Cobble Beach, we believe that dreams are a necessity of life and that the time-tested values of community are paramount to making dreams come true. Cobble Beach is located on a breathtaking waterfront plateau overlooking Georgian Bay. It's the quintessential waterfront getaway, a place to stay, play, and live, surrounded by the best that nature can provide. Just minutes from the charming harborside town of Owen Sound, it's your gateway to the infinite wonders and Four Seasons beauty of one of Canada's most picturesque natural areas. But more than that, Cobble Beach is a community. Whether you live here, or you're staying at our beautiful Nantucket-style inn and clubhouse, you'll find your paradise all year round. On the water, on the trails, or on our Golf Digest award-winning Doug Carrick-designed golf course. Play a round or two. This challenging link-style course, with its run-and-tumble fairways, billowing fescue rough, pot bunkers, and ever-present off-water breezes, will bring to mind the legendary seaside courses of Scotland and Ireland. After the game, relax at the Sweetwater Restaurant. The Fireside Lounge. Or on our outdoor terrace overlooking the bay. For the total sybaritic experience, visit our spa, a pampering retreat where certified professionals offer an array of treatments designed to rejuvenate body and soul. At Cobble Beach, we're committed to the preservation of our spectacular waterfront, our heritage, and our culture. And we're totally dedicated to making Cobble Beach one of the finest Four Seasons waterfront communities in the world. To this end, planning is now well underway for the creation of the Village at Cobble Beach. Located adjacent to the inn and clubhouse, it is expected to feature a wide range of amenities and services for residents and guests alike. All surrounding a village green that throughout the year will become the ideal setting for summer events and winter ice skating. There will be shops, including an expanded four-season pro shop, cafe and food store, and a fabulous waterfront aquatic center with an indoor pool, sun deck, and state-of-the-art fitness club. This is the dream. This is the future. And it's being planned today. Boating, fishing, hiking, biking, hanging out at the water's edge, or just kicking back with friends and family after a hard day of fun. It's all part and parcel of the Cobble Beach Four Seasons lifestyle. Somewhere between your front door and the pristine shoreline at Cobble Beach, you'll find your paradise.